Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need a half of a cup of black beans, 2 cucumber slices, 1 cherry tomato, and 2 pepper slices. You can choose whatever colors you want to use. You can see I have put my ingredients off to the side, and I'm going to start with my 2 cucumber slices. I'm going to arrange them in the middle of my board. Next, I'm going to grab my cherry tomatoes and my 2 pepper slices. I'm going to use these as the nose and the mouth for my black cat's face. Now I have 2 very curvy peppers, and these will work great for my cat's mouth. Cats kind of have a special mouth that sometimes they look like they're smiling. So I can angle my peppers up or down. It's up to you how you want to arrange your peppers. Next, I'm going to grab my bowl of black beans and carefully dump them around the face of the cat. I'm going to go slowly. I don't want them to spill everywhere. Now I'm going to carefully arrange them in a circle because this will be the cat's head, and then I will get a good outline for filling in the rest of my beans. I can start to slowly push in the beans, being careful not to squish any, and spread them out around the cucumber and the tomato and the peppers, really filling in the cat's face. Now I'm going to think about making a triangle with the beans for my cat's ears. I'm just going to carefully spread them around, finding beans that are loose or on the side or on the top to make those triangles. If you have lots of beans, you can decide if you want your cat's face to be wider or thinner. You can start to fill in beans wherever you feel like your cat needs a little bit of extra black. Now I'm going to look for 2 black beans that are a good size and not too smashed to complete the eyes for my cat. Here we go. This looks great. Did you know another fun word for beans are legumes? Beans are also really high in potassium and folate, which are great for your heart. So as the saying goes, beans, they're good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you prevent heart disease. I'm just doing some finishing touches up here with my beans. How's your black cat looking? Does it look different than mine? That's great because we know that being different is awesome. I hope you had fun creating a black cat with me today. I'm so glad you're here. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. You could also subscribe for more Snack Animals fun. We'll see you next time. Bye!